Welcome back to the Discount Property Investor Podcast. Our mission is to share what we have learned from our experience and the experience of others to help you make more money investing like a pro. We want to teach you how to create wealth by investing in real estate the Discount Property Investor way. To jumpstart your real estate investing career, visit freewholesalecourse.com, the most complete free course on wholesaling real estate ever. Thanks for tuning in.
You asked, we answer.
What are the steps to acquire a successful deal?
That's the question?
That's the question. Is what are the steps to acquiring a successful deal, Dave?
I'd say that there are 5 steps, 3 pillars. Can't count over here.
Yeah. So
5 steps.
8 things, Dave. That's way too much. Let's break it down.
The 3 pillars are part of the 5 steps. So we're going to talk about the pillars later. Talk about the 5 simple steps to marketing to motivated sellers. I'm sorry. The question was to acquiring a successful deal. So getting a deal. Well, one, we're gonna find out where we want to buy a deal, and we're gonna start marketing. Number 1, market to those motivated sellers, right? Number 2, we're gonna run appointments. When they answer the phone or respond to a postcard or a text message or whatever it is, we're gonna get them on the phone. We're going to make a friend, and we're going to set up a time to go view the property so we can see what we're buying and what they're selling, but also, Mike, to figure out what their problem is and how we can help them. That's really the goal. That's number 2, set appointments. What's number 3?
I wasn't paying attention.
Make offers. Very simple. Don't worry, I got this. Make offers. That's going to be number 3. You got to make a lot of offers to get a deal. All right, so make an offer on every property lead that comes in. Even if it's a tire kicker and they just want to see what you're going to offer 50, 60 cents on the dollar of what the ARV is, or another way to look at that is what's this estimate, offer half. See if they're motivated. So make a lot of offers. So number 1 was market to the motivated sellers in the area that you want. Number 2 is set as many appointments as you possibly can. Number 3 is make offers to every single person that you come in contact with. We've made 6 today. It's 1 o'clock, right? That's 3. Number 4, we're going to follow up with these people until we can get it under contract. If we get it under contract immediately, you don't even need the step, right? But typically, 80 to 90% of our deals require follow-up. We're going to keep following up and keep sending offers and keep negotiating and keep trying to make our friendship better until they want to work with us, right? And then next would be to take that deal and sell it and market it to another investor. We're not talking about the whole deal. We're talking about acquiring it here on this one, right? Mm-hmm. So acquiring it would just be the follow-up, and then the last would just be get the thing signed. So to recap, market to the motivated sellers in the area you want to buy. Go on appointments. Do virtual ones. Set them up for somebody else. Just get out there and view it. Get pictures. Make offers. Arguably the most important step. Make offers. Follow up, right? Number 4. And then number 5, just do what it takes to get them to sign. Because you don't have control without a signature, and you can't sell something you don't have control of. You got to have inventory. And that's it, guys. You asked, we answered.
Thanks for listening to the Discount Property Investor Podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to help us reach a wider audience. To jumpstart your real estate investing career, visit freewholesalecourse.com, the most complete free course on wholesaling real estate ever. We would also appreciate it if you left us a review on iTunes or Stitcher. Thank you in advance for your support. And remember, you make your money when you buy, you get paid when you sell. Now let's go build some wealth.